Hello children. So this question based on NCERT class 10 exercise 1.2. So here the question we have proved that root 5 is an irrational number. What you have to prove? You have to prove that root 5 is a irrational number. So proving any irrational number, any question, you have to first assume a rational number. So what is the irrational number we can consider here? Here we are considering that let root 5 is a rational number. What you consider root 5 is a rational number. And you know, if you consider any rational number, it should be in the form of, it means what you can say, root 5 is equal to a by b. Okay, where what you can say a and b are co-prime. What you can say, a and b are co-prime. Co-prime means you have to say means a and b have only one as a multiple common factor 1. Okay. Now what I am doing, squaring both sides. So what I am doing, root 5 squaring is equal to a by b, that also squaring, that I am writing here, squaring both side, squaring both side. Okay. So what I'm getting, root 5 into root 5 means you can say 5, and what you have, a square and b square. What I'm doing here, I'm cross multiplication doing. So what you will get here, you will get here 5b square. What you will get, 5b square is equal to, we will get a square. It means what you can say here, we can say that b square is equal to, what you can say, a square by 5 we can say. Okay, so it means what you can say, a square, since a square divided by 5, so a can be also divided by 5, correct? Okay, that you understand. Now let a is equal to, what you can say, 5c. Just consider let a is equal to 5c, and we made this as a equation first. What you make this equation, you can make as a 5b square. 5b square is equal to, we can say, a square, that we say. Yeah, that's equation, already we made it. So equation first we say. So let a is equal to 5c, put the value, put a value in equation 1. What you will get, 5b square is equal to, what you have, a square. A square means now you have to write 5c square. Okay, what you will get, 5b square is equal to, what you will get, 5 square means 25 c square. Okay, now what I am doing, I am simplifying. 5 cut, what you will get, 5 ja 5 1 ja, so you get b square is equal to, we will get 5c square. Okay, now you see, earlier we have seen a square was divided by 5. Now we have to say b square also divided by 5. So this b square divided by 5. So b can also be divided, b can also be divided by 5. Okay, this understand. Now so we can say, but it means what you can say, 5 is a common factor. This is very important, you have to understand this. 5 is a common factor of a and b. But what you assumed, this contradicts, I'm just moving, this contradicts the fact. What is the fact? that A and B are co-prime, that A and B are co-prime, co-prime. So our assumption is wrong or right? Our assumption is wrong. What you can say? Our assumption is wrong. Okay. Hence, what you can say? Hence, root 5 is irrational. That we proved. Okay. Now we are writing second question. What is the second question? Second question we have. Let me check. Here we have second question we have. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational. Here also we can say as root 5 is irrational. You know, as root 5 is irrational. So what you can say? Let assume. Let assume. What you can assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational such that we can say 3 plus 2 root 5 in the form of a by b, where what you can say a and b are where a and b are co-prime. What you can say? A and b are co-prime. Already I say, and b is not equal to 0. It is a rational number fact we have. Now, what you can say here? 2 root 5 is equal to what you can say? A by b, and you move this side 3. What happened? This will happen. Now what you have to do? You to solve it. Now basics would be good better here. Now without basic it's very difficult. Now b, LCM b, we have taken b divided by b. It is 1 into a only minus. So what will happen? 3b. Okay. Now what I am doing? I am doing cross multiplication. What I am doing now here? 2 root 5 is equal to this figure. Now you do here. What will get? 2 root 5 into b is equal to a minus 3b. Okay, that is fine. Now what I can say? What I can say here? Now you see b is equal to what you can say? Sorry, root 5 is equal to what you can say? Root 5 is equal to, you can say, a minus 3b by 2b, we can say. That is fine. Okay, I don't think you have any doubt on this. Where what you can say? Where a and b are integers. Okay, this is okay. Now, therefore, a minus 3b is also a integer, and a minus 3b by 2b is rational, because integers we have considered now, so it is, you can say, rational. Therefore, what you can say, since a minus 3b by 2b is equal to root 5, therefore what you can say, root 5 also is a root 5 is also a rational number, but it is not true. Okay, but this contradicts. What you can say? But this contradicts. But this contradicts. Or the fact root 5 is irrational, irrational. Hence our assumption is wrong. Therefore, what you can say? 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. This we proved. Okay, so this is very important. Like most of the time for CBSE board, state boards, this question is being asked. Okay, so thanks for watching this two question for exercise 1.2 NCRT book. If you have any doubt, you can consult me. You can comment, ask me in the comment section. I will reply you back. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.